Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a dark mode toggle in your Flutter app using provider. This is a must have feature in modern apps. So let's get started. First of all, I show you a little demo. After that, we have moved the code. This is our code. First of all, I have to add a package called provider for state management in dark mode toggle. You have to add provider package in your Flutter app. After that, you have a create theme provider, import the material package for Flutter widgets, a provider class that manages the theme state of the application. It extends change notifier to notify listeners when the theme changes. Bool is dark mode equal to false private variable to hold the current theme state. Bool get is dark mode underscore is dark mode public greater to assess the current theme state. After that, theme mode to get current theme underscore is dark mode theme mode dot dark theme mode dot light public greater to return the current theme mode based on the theme state. Toggles the theme state between dark and light mode and notifies listeners about the change. This is the function. After that, we move to the main.dart. Import the theme provider in this file. This file sets up the main entry point of the Flutter application. Wrap the My App widget with change notifier provider to provide the theme provider to the widget tree. This allows widgets to access the theme state and listen for changes. Create an instance of theme provider which will manage the theme state of the application. This file defines the main application widget. It uses Material App to set up the app's theme and home screen. Access the theme provider to get the current theme state. This allows the app to respond to theme changes dynamically. Disable the debug banner in the app. Theme mode theme provider dot current theme uses the current theme mode from theme provider. Set the theme based on the current theme state. Defines brightness dot light defines the brightness of the light theme. Set the primary color switch for the light theme. Defines the theme of the application. Set the dark theme of the application. Define the brightness of the dark theme. Set the primary color switch for the dark theme. Set the home screen of the application. This is the initial screen that will be displayed when the application starts. After that, we have moved to the home screen. Import the material package for Flutter widgets. Import the provider package for state management. Import the theme provider. Home screen widget is the main entry point of the Flutter application. This widget represents the home screen of the application. It uses stateless widget because it does not maintain any state itself. Access the theme provider to get the current theme state. This allows the application to respond to theme changes dynamically. Final theme provider equal to provider dot of theme provider context. Build the UI of the home screen. It uses the scaffold to create the basic structure of the screen. App bar is the top of the screen. It contains the title and a switch to toggle dark mode. Switch widget to toggle dark mode. It listens to changes in the theme provider and updates the theme accordingly. Switch value theme provider dot is dark mode. Get the current theme state from the provider. The switch's value is set based on the current theme state. On change value theme dot toggle theme. Call the toggle theme method to change the theme state. When the switch is toggled, it calls the toggle theme method in theme provider. The body of the screen contains a simple centered text widget. This is where the main content of the screen will be displayed. Let's run the app and see it in action. As you can as you can see, when we toggle the switch, the app theme changes. Looks awesome, right? If you find this tutorial helpful, please give a like, subscribe and comment below what feature you want next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.